All right, all you YouTubers, you know what time it is. We're dabbing on those naysayers. We got Julia Ocean Beach out here spreading some love with her talent. Check her out. We're really doing it. We're dabbing on those naysayers. Damn, Julia. You're about to be famous. What? Can I fucking buy you something or take you out? Bam. All right, you guys, if you're in Ocean Beach right now and you're watching this, don't forget about the purple cup right there. That's called the tip cup. Fill it up, please. Boom. Thank you so much. Have a good day. All right, you guys, come to Ocean Beach. You can see anything. Can I try it? No. Thank you, though.